We're just gonna check the lumber out back. It's out there, but I just have to show you these crazy chickens. Look how deep they've dug the holes. Look at my pretty little Betty. I think that's Betty? Yeah, it is. Oh my goodness, they just love this. Oh look, and I found another potato they've dug up. Half-eaten one. So look at this. They're digging up the potatoes in this row that we haven't done yet. And they're eating them. Oh, oh my goodness. They don't have to just dig them up, they have to eat them too. So we've got the pieces cut for this first section of wall. We're gonna nail this section together.
Oh, the board there. Okay. The board is pushing it off.
good. You can see where the seam is in the top, but the top plate's going to go on top of that and it'll overlap where the seam is. Right about there. So Chris has been going along and putting the top plate in above the window and window openings and the headers in. We left those out to make it easier to lift the wall sections. So we'll get that third wall section up and get all the pieces cut, because the ones beside the window are 60 1/4, these ones are 52 1/2, so we're just cutting a whole bunch of them so we can go along. That's the best thing about these windows all being the same size. Makes it so much quicker. So normally, like in the past when we framed walls, you have the headers in, you have the sheeting on, whatever amount of wall is going to be sheeted. The sheeting's on, the headers are in, and that's what makes the wall so incredibly heavy. And this lumber's heavier. It did dry out quite a bit while we had it strapped down. But this wood is a lot heavier. It's actual 2x6, and because he mills it on an ancient sawmill, they're all just a little bit off. They're not exact 2x6, but it saves us so much money to use this lumber, and of course it's sturdier because it's not as thin and small as dimensional lumber that you buy at the lumber yard. So it works awesome for us, but like I said, normally we would have the sheeting on. We would lay out the wall on the ground, have the sheeting all on, and that actually makes the wall more stable and easier to square up too, putting the sheeting on. But we're old and this is working for us, so. We had a quick supper and we're back to work now. So we figured out there was a discrepancy in the top plates right there where they meet. One board wasn't straight. So we got that end leveled, and there's my finger, that end leveled up and down and straight, and now we don't have the strength to push this wall, so Chris is going to put the straps around the two sections to cinch it together, and that way I can get it leveled up right here, and then he is going to screw this brace on it. So we're basically using the strap sort of like as a come along to pull the two sections together, and now the top plate meets. Now I'm going to bet that this is going to be close to level over here. Just a hair off, but it's about the same amount off as at that end.
Oh, perfect.
Like the bubbles on the
Yeah.
this side. So.
Okay, I'll lock that together. Lock this on.
You want me to wedge it too, or no? That's why there was a discrepancy in the length of the headers and the top plate above the window in that section. Now that's fixed.
Use a whacker.
Just the hammer?
Too tight.
We're going to put the top plates on this wall now. Guys, the sun is going down, another beautiful sunset, but it's 10 degrees Celsius, it's really cooling off, and we're done for tonight. What we did was we got the lumber cut for the window openings in the end walls, both ends, and we've decided at the last minute to make there's my garden cart that I love so much, but it's wide and the tires are actually wider than it, so I'm always hitting things. We are actually going to make a door, much like we did inside, for the back wall of the greenhouse so that I can get that thing in, because that thing is just so much use, whether it's for moving plants or dirt or picking weeds, whatever. So I'm going to make the back, well, we're going to make the back door out of plywood and insulate it and just put an exterior door in the front that looks nice. And that'll make it really nice to get that thing in there when we want to or when we need to. But we're running out of lumber. We're going to try and get we think we've got enough to frame the two end walls tomorrow, and then it's back to visit our friend Alvin. But we're done for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share this video with your family and friends. And we'll see you next time.